Welcome to Neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf, your go to podcast for understanding how cutting edge science and technology are reshaping brain health. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something deeply personal how our lifestyle choices, particularly here in the Gulf, impact our long term brain health and risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As Gulf nations undergo rapid modernization, our lifestyles are shifting dramatically. Sedentary routines, processed food consumption, and high stress are increasingly common, especially in urban centers like Dubai, Riyadh, Doha, and Kuwait City. But alongside these challenges, the region is also embracing innovation. AI is emerging as a powerful tool to not only detect early signs of neurodegeneration but also to guide us toward healthier choices tailored to our environment, culture, and individual needs.
Traditional Gulf diets, rich in dates, fish, grains, and fresh leafy vegetables, offer a strong foundation for brain health. Yet, in recent decades, fast food and sugar laden diets have taken center stage, increasing the risk of chronic conditions that are closely linked to cognitive decline, such as diabetes and hypertension. AI driven nutrition platforms are now making it easier to return to healthier roots, analyzing your DNA, blood markers, and eating habits to recommend personalized diet plans. In cities like Abu Dhabi and Manama, clinics are beginning to use AI to develop nutrition blueprints that integrate traditional foods like laban, cups, and grilled fish with scientific evidence and biometrics. These platforms help reduce neuroinflammation and improve overall brain function, all while respecting Gulf's culinary heritage.
High pressure jobs, long commutes, and fast paced life are common stressors in Gulf's modern cities. Chronic stress and poor sleep quality are directly linked to the increased risk of dementia and cognitive dysfunction. Add to that the use of screens late into the night, and you have got the recipe for disrupted circadian rhythms. AI is making strides here as well. Sleep analysis apps that sync with prayer and fasting, schedules during Ramadan, or adjust for night shift workers in healthcare and security sectors are helping users in the Gulf optimize their rest. Stress monitoring devices using voice analysis and wearable data are also gaining popularity in the region. Meanwhile, cognitive stimulation tools like AI powered Arabic language learning platform or brain games adapted for local culture are keeping mental faculties sharp and engaged.
Across the Gulf, governments are already investing in smart healthcare systems, AI research, and digital transformation. This opens a new frontier for personalized predictive brain health. Imagine getting a monthly brain risk report delivered via an app, using data from your wearables, diet logs, and even driving habits to flag early cognitive decline or suggest preventive strategies. Hospitals in cities like Riyadh and Dubai are piloting AI diagnostics to detect early biomarkers of Alzheimer's, while startups in Bahrain and Oman are exploring AI based mental health tools for young professionals. The synergy of tradition, innovation, and AI is uniquely positioned to make the Gulf a global leader in neuropreventive healthcare. So, whether you're enjoying grilled hammer by the Corniche or sipping kava during a work break, remember your daily choices are shaping your cognitive future. With AI in our hands and awareness in our minds, we in the Gulf have a unique opportunity to lead the world in proactive brain health. In our next episode, We'll explore traditional and alternative therapies for neurodegenerative diseases, including how practices like cupping, hijama, herbal medicine, and emerging tech driven therapies are converging. Until then, stay healthy, stay mindful, and take care of your brain.